Today we will open box of this Growatt lithium-ion batteries model AXE5 OLC1.
I'm crazy, crazy, crazy. 너무 미워 정말 너 절대 다시는 안 볼 거야. 미안하지도 않아.
When we open the case, we can see that it contains a user manual, a warranty card, and a Growatt AXE5 OLC1 5 kilowatts battery. The Growatt AXE5 OLC1 5 kilowatts battery is a scalable and efficient solution for energy storage needs, with flexible capacities from 5 kWh to 400 kWh. This modular battery system is ideal for a variety of applications, ensuring you always have the power you need. There are 3 communication ports with PCS link in and out, 1 large power port used to connect with other Growatt batteries, and 1 USB port. At the same time, the battery system has the function of automatic module identification and soft start, which can provide intelligent operation function while surge protection, remote diagnostics, and firmware upgrades for optimal performance and easy maintenance. This battery enjoys the convenience of stacked installation without the hassle of cable connection. The battery is designed to allow for quick setup, typically within 30 minutes, which simplifies the process without compromising efficiency or safety. Finally, the Growatt AXE5 OLC1 battery is a smart, safe, and scalable power storage solution while enhancing your energy independence.